Well, we set up our Civil War sloosh, crumbled it up, and we left it for some of the birds. We're going to see who shows up. There have been some birds there already, but I didn't have the camera set up. There was a little woodpecker that lives in the backyard and some snowbirds. But the flying garbage cans have not arrived yet. That's the bluebirds. Oh, here's a little bird. Looks like a snowbird. I'm filming through a window. Boy, they're really alert though, you know, they make any noise. Or if they see a movement through the window. I think that's a snowbird. Well, here's something else. What is that? See, they have different markings and different feather colors. I don't know enough about all these different birds. Oh, the giant beast wants to go out.